third night of Navratri symbolizes courage and strength. But Arav? He was struggling with fear of complex ETL processes in Azure Synapse Analytics. Data transformations, integration techniques, it all felt too overwhelming. But courage isn't about having no fear, it's about pushing through despite it. Step by step, Arav faced his fears. He broke down the concepts, practiced real-world problems, and sought guidance. With every challenge, his confidence grew. And then, success. The once intimidating ETL process was now second nature. Like Goddess Chandraghanta, who embodies fearlessness, Arav proved that with patience, practice, and persistence, fear transforms into expertise. Are you ready to overcome your fears and master Azure Data Engineering? Keep learning, keep growing.
The 9 Nights of Learning and Growth. Stay tuned for our next post. Follow the Vaanii page to discover the incredible 9-day transformation story of Aarav. Don't miss out.